Good morning, traders. It's Wednesday, June 17th at 4:20 a.m. All right, massive economic news today. We've got the Fed interest rate decision at 2 o'clock, then the economic projections as well, and the press conference at 2:30. And then 8:30 this morning, we have retail sales. So anyway, put a vertical line on your chart for 2 o'clock. Make sure you don't miss that one because there's some expected volatility there. All right, so I've got two stocks for you today. We've got SPY and we've got MU. So let's go ahead and look at the SPY. We've got lots of prints, we always do. And so we've got these prints at the top. We've pulled back. We had this low 3.8 million here back on June 11th. And we've moved up, we've pulled back, and we're holding this print here and testing the 4 exponential moving average. So let's see. We can get above 760, then we're above all of the prints, and then we can definitely move higher. If we move below, say maybe below the 738 level, then we can move down to 725. This is a 50 simple moving average down here. So anyway, lots of volatility. SPY's moving about $10 a day. So let's map this out. Intraday, we're going to be bullish above 754.50. Let's get above these prints here. It looks like there's lots of space, but there's not a lot of room for profit taking. So as far as risk and reward is concerned, we've got my 200 simple, 200 exponential here. We've got the pivot that we're fighting with. And then as soon as we get above here, that's the 200 simple. And then you've got this cam right here, and then we've got prints and another pivot. So it looks like there's a lot of room, but there's noise in the way. So 754.50, target 755.89 is a cam. Then we've got 757.02. Then we've got 757.44 is R2. 759.33, 760, 761 and a quarter. 763 is R3. So the upside, once we get above there, that would be pretty decent. Bearish below 748. Let's get below here. Similar sort of thing. There's the post market. We've got prints here about 8 million. We're fighting with the 200 exponential right now. So if we pull down and then we've got these cams here as well. So we've got to get below 748 because there's not enough room to take profit in between these for a good risk and reward. So bearish below 748, target 747.27, 746.32, 745. 62 is that 3.9 million print we were talking about. Then we've got 744.77, 742.08, and 740.76 is this S3. So lots of room as long as we get out of the sandwich section. If we move up, we've got a plan. If we move down, we have a plan. So next up, MU. This one is a beast. Look at the ATR on this bad boy, $81. So the average move is $81, which is about 8-9% that it can move in a day. Largest trades in the last month, we can see here, we've got a few million here at the bottom. And we've moved up more prints, moved up, pulled back through the prints, and it looks like they're accumulating, increasing volume. That was a good swing day as well. Tagging the print closing above, and we're back in this range right here. So let's see. This highest print here is 1,064.80. We're just testing that now. If we can break above there, then we've got a nice move to the upside. If we get below here, then we can trade to these print levels here on the daily. So if we look on the intraday, we're going to be bullish above 1,082.50. Let's get above this candle, and then we need this R1 as support. So 1,082.50, target 1,090, 1,100, 11.23 is a cam. Then we've got 11.25, 11.40.79 is R2, 11.50, 11.75, which is the quarter. Then I've got 1,200. I put that as the last stop. That's well beyond the ATR. That's about $118. But then there's R3 at 1231.19, if that's the case. So we're going to be bearish below 1,064. And we're just breaking below that, so we need a new level. I wanted to see if we broke below this print 1064. We'll leave it on the list for now and see, but other than that, 1050.39 is the pivot. Then we've got 1045.62, 1037.33, 1029.05. Then we've got 1012.47, 1004, 995.90, 990.37, 971.04, and 959.99 is S2. So yeah, there you have it for that one. We do wide levels, the $12.50, $25 levels, things like that, because the stock is $1,000. So when the market trades in fractions as well on the higher price stocks, that works out the same as well. All right, happy trading, everyone. Leave some comments in the comments section below. Let us know how you're doing, and we will see you tomorrow with all new trade setups. Happy trading. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.